Today I've got a pot of leftover mashed potatoes, so I'm going to show you how to make a homemade KFC Famous Bowl. Layered with mashed potatoes, crispy chicken nuggets, corn, brown gravy, and cheese. It's so delicious and the perfect comfort food. My recipe calls for brown gravy. I'm going to tell you a little cheat. Just use a brown gravy mix. I'm using a gluten-free mix. It just makes it easy. This recipe isn't healthy anyway, so why go to the trouble of making homemade gravy? The mix says we need to blend this with half a cup of cool water and whisk it before we pour it into our boiling water. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we got that whisked. It's ready. When our water starts boiling, we can pour it right in. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my gravy mix in here. And I'm supposed to whisk it until it thickens. And it's already starting. Look at it. Talk about quick. It's easy just to use a frozen bag of corn that you can steam in the microwave for this recipe, but I am using some of our corn out of our garden, so because we have it and I didn't want to buy any, so it's just as easy to put it on the stove and cook it. Alright, gotta flip these over. I think this doesn't work. I did not oil my pan, and now they are sticking.
Are you supposed to oil?
Yes, I was supposed to oil the pan. It's ready. Alright. I like to use either ready-made mashed potatoes or leftover mashed potatoes for this. And this is a great way to use up leftover mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm doing. But we've also used the Bob Evans mashed potatoes you can get at the store. Usually they're in the deli section, I think, and they're really tasty. This is more of a snack bowl. Well, I mean, it can be a meal. It's not a very healthy meal, but it's more of like a comfort food treat. And when you need comfort food, you don't exactly want to be at the stove all day cooking it. So that's why I recommend just use a gravy mix. Use mashed potatoes you can get at the store. If you don't feel like making your own or you don't have leftovers, use microwavable steamed corn, chicken nuggets that you get at the store, or chicken tenders. I'm using gluten-free chicken nuggets that I picked up in the freezer section. So, and then as for the cheese, you can shred your own or you can buy it already shredded, and you're ready to go. Okay, those are some good chicken nuggets. What do you think, Chuck? You ready to eat?